Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 10, cell cycle and cell division. So now we will see what is cell cycle and cell division. So what is cell division? So cell division means in which the cell divide. So cell division is what? It is essential for the growth, repair and reproduction. Okay, but what many cells cycles and they transform a single cell to multicellular organism. Okay, they transform from single cell to the multicellular organism. And cell cycle growth. Okay, cell growth, the division, okay, DNA replication, they constitute a cell cycle. Okay, cell growth, DNA replication and the cell division, they all constitute a cell cycle. Okay, means a sequence is going on in that. Events happening in the cell cycle is genetically controlled. It is what? The cell cycle is what? Whatever the events is going through the cell cycle, that is genetically controlled. And the duration of cell cycle varies in different organisms. It varies in different organisms. Like in human, it is for the 24 hours. Okay, so it is different in the different organism. And like we can see that the average duration for the human is the 24 hours, whereas the yeast cell, in that the cell cycle is for the 90 minutes. So in different organisms, the cell cycle time duration varies, and the cell cycle is divided into the two phases. Okay, it is divided into the two phases, that is the interphase and the M phase. Okay, so we will see that is the cell cycle is divided into two phases, that is interphase and M phase. Okay, so interphase is what? In that what the cell growth and replication of DNA takes place. Okay, in this interphase, cell growth. Okay, in this phase what happens? The cell growth and replication of DNA and DNA replication takes place. Okay, and it constitutes about the 95% of the cell cycle. Okay, in this what cell growth and DNA replication takes place, and it constitutes about 95%. Okay, 95% of the duration of cell cycle. Okay, now M phase is what? It is mitosis phase. Clear? It is a cell division. Okay, that is the mitosis phase. So now we will see the different phases of the cell cycle in detail. First we will see the interphase, then we will see what are the phases in the interphase. Clear? Then all that. So let us see. First we will see the interphase. Interphase is the time, okay, between two successive M phase of the cell division. Clear? It is the time between the two successive M phase. M phase, that is the mitosis phase of the cell division. And in this phase what? The cell prepares for the cell division, growth and replication takes place. Interphase is further divided into the three phases. Okay, that is the G1 phase, S phase and the G2 phase. Okay, interphase is divided into again three phases, that is G1 phase, S phase. It is in the sequence. Okay, first what? G1 phase comes, then S phase comes, then G2 phase. G1 means we can say that is the gap 1 phase. Clear? S phase is that is the synthesis phase, and G2 is the gap 2 phase. Now we will see what happens in these different phases. Okay, what happens in the G1 phase, what happens in G2 phase, and what happens in the S phase. So in G1 phase, what? It is the gap between that previous mitosis and the DNA replication of the next cell, okay, cycle. And S phase is what? Or we can say the synthesis phase. In this what? In this phase, DNA replication takes place. Okay, here what? DNA replication takes place. This is important. Sometimes the question comes in 1 mark that in which phase DNA replication takes place. So that is the S phase or synthesis phase. Then, since in this phase DNA replication takes place and since replication is happening here, so then what happens? The DNA content of the cell doubles due to the replication process. The DNA content of the cell doubles and the centroid duplicates. It is important to note, okay, it is important that the chromosome numbers remains the same. Since DNA replication is there, but the number of chromosome is same. Okay. Now we will say the next phase, that is the G2 phase. G2 phase is what? That is the gap 2. In this what? Cell continues to grow and it prepare for the mitosis. In this what? Cell continues to grow. Okay. And what happens? It prepare for because next phase is what? It is the mitosis. Cell continues to grow and it prepare for mitosis. Clear? And here what? Protein synthesis takes place and in adult human being. Okay. In this phase what happens? G2 phase. Here protein synthesis takes place in G2 phase. In adult human. Okay. And there are many cells which do not divide. Okay. Like example, heart divide, or the heart cells what? They divide occasionally. Okay. Occasionally divide, they do not divide always. Okay. So they divide occasionally only to replace injured and the dead cells. Clear? And these cells enter, then what happens? These cells enter an inactive phase, that is the G0 phase. Okay, the cells which do not divide, then they enter into the G, which is the inactive phase, that is the G0. Okay. This is what? Inactive phase. G0 is also known as the quiescent stage. Okay, quiescent stage. Quiescent stage, we also call it as G0, we also call it as quiescent stage. It is an inactive stage. Clear? So in this section we have seen about the interphase and the different phases of the interphase. In next video we will start the next phase, that is the M phase. Thank you.